Notein versus Notewise. Which note app wins? Choosing the right note-taking app can completely change how you organize your thoughts without the frustration of lost ideas. Let's explore both options briefly. Notein and Notewise are two powerful note-taking applications, each designed to streamline your note-taking experience. The core difference lies in their features and user experience, which cater to distinct preferences and needs. Notein is an innovative note-taking app that emphasizes simplicity and efficiency. It allows users to create, organize, and search notes effortlessly. With a clean interface, Notein supports various formats including text, images, and voice notes, making it versatile for different use cases. Users can easily categorize notes using tags and folders, ensuring quick access to important information. One of its strengths is the seamless synchronization across devices, allowing you to access your notes anytime, anywhere. However, some users may find the lack of advanced features like collaborative editing a limitation. Notein is ideal for individuals or students who value straightforward functionality and organization without unnecessary complexity. Notewise is a feature-rich note-taking application that focuses on enhancing productivity and collaboration. It offers advanced tools such as real-time editing, integration with other apps, and extensive formatting options, allowing users to create visually appealing notes. Notewise also supports multimedia content, enabling users to embed videos and links directly into their notes. Its strengths lie in its collaborative features, making it perfect for teams and group projects. However, the abundance of features may overwhelm users seeking a more minimalist approach. Notewise is best suited for professionals and students who require robust collaboration tools and a dynamic note-taking environment. When comparing Notein and Notewise, consider your specific needs. For someone who prefers a straightforward, organized approach, Notein excels with its simplicity and ease of use. It's perfect for solo users who want to keep their notes tidy without distractions. On the other hand, Notewise shines in collaborative settings, offering features that facilitate teamwork and extensive formatting options. If you often work with groups or need to share notes, Notewise could be the better choice. However, if you value a clean interface and quick access to your notes, Notein may be more appealing. Ultimately, the decision comes down to whether you prioritize simplicity or collaboration. For users seeking a clean and efficient note-taking experience, Notein is the recommended choice. If collaboration and advanced features are what you need, Notewise is the way to go. Each app has its strengths, so choose the one that aligns best with your note-taking style and requirements. Thank you for watching.